Alright, let me show you something I'm really excited about, which is the new Polymaker Web App, which is an updated version with some new features to help you easily find the filament you need by comparing material data or browsing colors and surface finish. To get started, head over to app.polymaker.com. There's no sign-in required, and there's a mobile version too. One of the biggest requests we get is for filament profiles, and you'll see on the left-hand side there's a link to our presets page where you can access all the available presets for some of the most popular machines on the market. We are constantly testing and adding new printer and material combinations to this site, and as of today, there are over 450 presets available from common slicers such as Bambu Studio, Orca Slicer plus Snapmaker Orca, Elegoo Slicer and Prusa Slicer. To download these, simply select the preset you need or download the whole bundle. Open your slicer and import the JSON file to get direct access inside your slicer. If we jump back into the app, the first page you'll see is the color selector, because a huge number of material decisions actually begin with finding the right shade. Whether you're matching a brand color for a job, building a product line for your side hustle, or trying to match the aesthetic of your home decor, the color match and finish section will help you find what you need. Using the color selector, you can start by selecting a base color from the top and then further refine by selecting around the color square. The app will then calculate which filament is closest to this shade using the delta E method. The smaller the delta E number, the closer the color match. It's generally accepted that the human eye can't detect anything less than 1, so even a delta E of less than 3 is a pretty solid match. You can also input RGB, CYMK, hex or HSL codes directly. Another nice feature is the complementary colors, which are mathematically selected if you need a second or third shade for a project. Often a little accent color can make a big difference, and you can play around with the different options here to build your palette. If you're doing work for a brand or need to match a specific color from a photo, you can use the upload image feature, and then with the eyedropper tool, select the exact color you need. The next section of the app is the material comparison, where you can compare mechanical, thermal or physical properties of a material in a number of different visualizations. Using the material selectors on the left, you can choose the filaments you want to compare and then change the X and Y parameters at the top. You also have the option of exporting this view, or if you want to share the exact results with a friend, you can just copy and paste the URL. The bar graph is best for comparing just one parameter. For example, if you want to find out which material has the highest softening temperature. Or if you want to compare multiple parameters at the same time, then use the radar chart, where you can compare up to 10 parameters simultaneously. Finally, there is the table view, where you can see data side by side. The table view will export as both PNG and CSV. Now comes the question, what does your part need to do? Instead of starting with PLA or PTG, you start with the application. Is this a load-bearing part? Does it need impact strength? Does it need heat resistance? Does it need to be flexible? Is it structural, cosmetic, or functional? In the Applications and Print Conditions section, we list the most popular materials for each application, so you can find out what filaments other users are printing for a given application. If we select automotive, for example, we get to the next page where the top automotive materials are displayed. But let's say your printer's bed temperature can only reach 100 degrees. You can then use a slider to adjust the printing parameters to your setup to make sure the material you want is printable on your machine. If you want to learn more about material science, filaments, or printing in general, there's a ton of information on the Polymaker Wiki with basic guides for beginners to more advanced topics and print tuning. Available in 10 languages and constantly being updated, this is the best place for further reading. Or if you have a question, just ask our integrated AI chatbot, which is trained on the full Polymaker catalog and is surprisingly knowledgeable about 3D printing and materials in general. Well, I hope you enjoy this material app as much as I do. Even after a decade in the game, there's always room to learn and improve, and we made this tool to help you on your 3D printing journey.